Number 292. Lauren bought 8 apples and 9 bananas for $9.25 at the local supermarket. Andrew paid $7.25 for 7 apples and 6 bananas at the same store. At these prices, how much will it cost Aaron to buy 9 apples and 7 bananas? In order to answer that question, we need to find the unit price for an apple and a banana. So we need to write up an equation for what Lauren paid and what Andrew paid. So Lauren bought 8 apples and 9 bananas for a price of $9.25. Andrew, he bought 7 apples, 6 bananas, and paid $7.25. A represents the price of 1 apple, B represents the price of 1 banana. So now we have a system of equations with 2 variables. We have 2 equations, 2 variables. We can go ahead and solve it. Let's focus on canceling B. So 9 and 6, a common multiple of 9 and 6 is 18. Therefore, I'm going to multiply this equation by 2 and this one by -3. So 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 9.25 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. 25 times 2 is 50. So we get 1850. 7 times 3 is 21, but it's going to be -21. 6 times -3, -18. 7.25 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 25 times 3 is 75. So we get 2175, but it's negative. Now, let's add these 2 equations. 18 and -18b will cancel. We'll get -5a is equal to 1850 minus 2175. That's -3.25. Now, let's divide both sides by -5. -3.25 divided by -5 is 65 cents. So that's the price for an apple. Now, I'm going to use the original first equation to get the price of a banana. So 8a, I'm going to replace a with 65 cents plus 9b is equal to 9.25. 8 times 0.65, that's 5.2 or 5.20. Now, let's subtract both sides by 5.20. Let's bring this down. So we have 9b is equal to 9.25 minus 5.20. That's 4.05. Now let's divide both sides by 9. So now we get the price of a banana. 4.05 divided by 9 is 45 cents. That is the price of a single banana. Now let's determine the cost for 9 apples and 7 bananas. That's 9a plus 7b. The price of an apple is 65 cents and the price of a banana is 45 cents. So it's 9 times 0.65 plus 7 times 0.45. And that will be exactly $9. Answer choice C is the answer.